Hello! Today we have the Behringer Xenyx 302USB mini mixer on our table. Have fun with the video! The mixer is delivered in this packaging. As you can see, it is a very small mixer which can be connected to your PC via USB. Otherwise, we only find some technical data and pictures on the packaging. Then we take a look into the box. Okay, the interior is also kept very simple. Everything is firmly in place, so nothing should break during transport. As always, let's start with our usual order. From boring to interesting. Here we have some paperwork and the Behringer sticker. In the manual itself we find some wonderful pictures that tell us how to connect the device. Personally, I mainly use the XLR microphone input. In the white box we find the cables for the mixer. As we can see, there are not that many. A power supply with exchangeable adapter and a USB cable. In terms of quality, this is nothing outstanding, but perfectly fine. Now we come to the mixer itself. This is protected by a film. I like the first impression very much. At the top left we find the type designation of the mixer. Otherwise the prints are nice and clean legible. weight and material also feel okay. The black metal part is made of metal and the silver side parts are made of plastic. The controls themselves are clearly made of plastic. These also work cleanly since I used a mixer. Nothing wobbles or looks badly processed. On the top of the device we find some more prints in the USB Type-B port. The four legs are not rubberized or anything like that. Therefore, it can slide a little easier here. Last but not least, I would like to briefly demonstrate the difference with and without the mixer. The following text has now been recorded directly on my PC without the mixer. This is possible because my current microphone had an XLR cable with a jack included. So I can plug this directly into my microphone input on my computer. But as you can hear, this is somehow not the best solution. So, back to the nicer sound from the mixer. Well, what else can I say? The workmanship and quality looks very good. I can't fault the audio quality either. It does what it should and increases the audio quality as desired. As you have heard yourself before, I'm very pleased with the difference. That is why I have made almost all videos with it since I bought the mixer. I am very satisfied with it and can therefore recommend it without hesitation. The price for the device is also perfectly fine. Completely sufficient for YouTube. Nice that you watched our video. If you're new to our channel, we would be very happy to receive a like or subscription. You can find more videos that you might like. See you next time.